Welcome and get ready for your daily dose of mind-blowing facts. Let's go! Dolphins are considered to be one of the smartest animals on Earth. They have a brain-to-body size ratio second only to humans, a highly developed neocortex, the part of the brain responsible for advanced cognitive functions such as decision-making and planning. They have self-awareness, problem-solving abilities, and the capacity for abstract reasoning. They have been observed using tools, such as using sponges to protect their snouts while foraging for food, communicate with one another through a complex system of vocalizations and body language, help injured members of their pod, grieve for their dead, and in captivity, they have been trained to perform a wide range of tasks including problem-solving, language comprehension, and even mimic human speech. Studies have also suggested that they may have the ability to understand basic mathematical concepts. Number 5. Did you know that the world's tallest mammal is the giraffe? The giraffe's legs alone can be taller than many humans, around 6 feet. Its neck can be up to 6 feet long, but contains the same number of vertebrae as a human neck, which are just elongated. Giraffes use their height to reach leaves on tall trees that other animals can't, and their long necks also help them keep a lookout for predators. They can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. They are also known for their unique coat patterns that are as individual as fingerprints, and no two giraffes have the same pattern. Unfortunately, giraffe populations have declined greatly in recent years due to poaching and habitat loss. Number 4. Did you know that the world's fastest bird is the peregrine falcon? It is capable of reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour while diving to catch its prey, making it the fastest member of the animal kingdom. The peregrine falcon is found on every continent except Antarctica, and is known for its hunting tactics of diving at high speeds to catch other birds in mid-air. Peregrine falcons are also known for their incredible eyesight. Their eyes are about 4 times more powerful than human eyes, and they can spot prey from over a mile away. The peregrine falcon is a highly skilled hunter, and has been known to take down birds as large as geese and cranes. However, the use of pesticides in the mid-20th century caused a decline in their population, but they have since recovered. Number 3. The rhinoceros is a large, herbivorous mammal known for its thick skin and distinctive horns. One fun fact about rhinos is that they have extremely poor eyesight and rely heavily on their sense of smell and hearing to navigate. Despite their poor eyesight, they are incredibly strong and can run at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. They are also known for their aggressive nature and will charge at perceived threats, making them one of the most dangerous animals to hunt. In fact, the white rhinoceros can weigh up to 2,300 kilograms. The rhinoceros is an animal that is currently in danger of extinction, with all 5 species facing a high risk of extinction in the wild. This is largely due to habitat loss and poaching for their horns, which are highly valued in traditional medicine. Number 2. The blue whale is considered to be the strongest animal on Earth, not relative to its size. These massive creatures can weigh up to 200 tons and are known to be able to dive down to depths of over 300 meters. They are able to accomplish this thanks to their powerful muscles and large lung capacity, which allows them to hold their breath for long periods of time. Blue whales are also known to be able to swim at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. They feed primarily on krill, a small shrimp-like creature, and can consume up to 4 tons of krill in a single day. Despite their immense strength, blue whales are considered to be gentle giants and have no known natural predators. They are considered to be endangered due to hunting and other human activities. Number 1. The rhinoceros beetle is considered one of the strongest animals on Earth, relative to its body weight. These beetles can lift up to 850 times their own weight, which is equivalent to a human lifting 6 double-decker buses full of people. The secret to their strength lies in their thorax, which has powerful flight muscles that allow them to fly, as well as their strong exoskeleton, which protects them from predators. Despite their strength, rhinoceros beetles are harmless to humans and are often kept as pets in some cultures. They are also important pollinators, helping to fertilize plants and maintain biodiversity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about all of these fun facts, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. We'll see you in the next one.